So my role at Weiss is I'm heading the global business, Weiss Spindle Technology within the Inomotics Group. So the core mission of Weiss Spindle Services, we have a more than 30 years history or legacy in spindle service, and our core mission from a global view and what is also given to my role, we want to gain more business, especially here in the UK, and the service business is one of the most important pillars and the repair business of our overall business model. We are thinking or working along the annual operations planning, 5 years outlook methodology. And so that is the topic. Our core business is really serving the customers with a long-term strategy, high accuracy, best quality, really directly from the OEM. So the end user benefits, especially when we are talking about global customers. So we have nearly 300 spindle experts in our global network, where also our UK guys have direct access, real-time access, let me say it in this way. And this is how our customers are benefiting because they get it directly from the OEM. And even if they are showing up with a new spindle type, we have never been serviced before here in the UK. We can get the immediate information from Germany, from US, or whoever serviced the spindle already. And so this is then the benefit for our customers: short lead time, high quality, meeting the expectation of the customers here in the UK. So we are thinking and operating the business in an annual operations plan. And behind this annual operations plan, where we have a look on the short term now for fiscal year 26, we also have a 5 years outlook behind. And what we see or saw in the last 30 years, so the service and repair business has a growth potential, and these are also actual figures showing we are growing, depends on the region, between 10 and 20%. And that was the reason also why we invested in the state-of-the-art facility. And this is the goal, to let year over year the business grow 10 to 20%.